Nothing. They get out of the way.
I think he was in office a month. He dropped the Moab in Iraq.
Oh, the bomb?
Yeah.
No, that was in Afghanistan, I think.
Afghanistan.
He said, well, we're building. He said, well, he dropped the bomb so we can go that deep.
That was him saying, hey, check this out. We got a hell of a lot more, too.
No, these guys take a step back. Holy shit.
Yep.
This guy says he's going to do this. He's going to do it. People are sick. People are fucking stupid. They really are.
All right, you know him, you love him,
people
Big Bad Billy
living in the
Goatetsky.
year 1861. That was the beginning of the Civil War.
Yep. Yep.
That's what happened. People had definitely different ideas about things. Like the war.
Yeah.
We'd like to invite you both to cook one more time on Battle of the Seychelles.
A lot of people killed in that war.
Only one of you.
Both sides.
Yeah.
Yeah, I read a book. The last book I read, it's on top. It was Grant against
This mountain ram,
and what was happening, the North
he's as strong as his
getting
family.
more powerful.
And that's the way I like my teammates.
So what Grant was doing,
I love this guy, just like my
he
grandfather.
kept out